Hey guys, today we're going to talk about digital marketing, and this is the use of digital channels to market products and services to consumers, and it involves the use of websites, mobile devices, social media platforms, and search engines. Basically, to be successful in this, it's very simple. You just need to have simple skills in communication and the ability to deliver the products or services to the users. So when we talk about this, we refer to the social media platforms that we use, and this is very common in our day-to-day lives because each and every one of us has maybe Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media platform. But the question is, do you make money from these platforms or do they make money from you? So this is what we're going to talk about in our video, and I'm going to show you very simple ways that you can use these platforms and monetize them. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter has millions of people. All you need to do is find a niche, find a product, then make these millions of people like your product. In addition to these social media platforms, search engines such as Google are very much powerful. To be successful in digital marketing, you only need yourself, have some simple skills in customer relationship management, and the ability to deliver the products or the services to the users. Anybody can do this. Do not let unemployment get the better part of you. Let's meet next time. More opportunities on our next video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.